Wait a moment. Yeah. It's a 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think Intan is the last one, right? Is it Intan? Oh, no, no. This. Okay. Genta is still in his hometown, right? Okay. So it's supposed to be on the way here, right? So we will meet him on Thursday. Okay then. So I think we just wait for Intan, right? Because it's been like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's an wait. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 10, right? Okay. So we just wait. What about wait. Zoo is in this class, right? Okay. What about him? Our captain, I guess. Somewhere. Okay, so he won't be joining our class. He doesn't take what? He doesn't inform us. Oh, okay, because of something, right? Did he tell you about it? I mean, where is he going now? No. No information from him, right? Oh, I see. He is going to Bandung, right? Kalau sedang terjadi berarti verb ing, right? He is going to Bandung. Oke, kalau sudah pergi? He went to Bandung, right? Yes. Kalau akan pergi? He'll go, right? That will be our topic for tonight, actually. Okay, everyone. As usual, before we start, I think okay. Okay. We just start now, right? Okay, before we start, I think we need to pray first, right? Because of our getting the best things in our training today. Okay, before we start, let's pray to God. Begins. Okay, finish. Last week we have we have started our class by the phrase or the word. Do you remember that? Phrase. So tonight will be the sentence. Just remember that a word, phrase, and sentence are three things that we must, what we call that, concern with. Karena itu benar-benar kayak pondasi dasarnya ya, untuk kita bisa mengembangkan keahlian bahasa Inggris lainnya. Kalau kata, frasa, udah oke ya. But I'm gonna check it again. I'm afraid that you will forget about phrase. Kalau word nggak mungkin ya. Because word is just kata. And then phrase is like, does anybody know? Simpelnya phrase itu apa? Karena secara teori itu banyak ya. Cuman the simple phrase is the combination between adjective and noun. So the example is like, wait, Angry Bird. Remember that, Angry Bird. And then what else? Green forest is a phrase, right? Red flag, yes. It's all about TikTok's language. Red flag is not really good, right? I forget about red flag actually. Is it like the opposite things of green flag? Oh, I see.
What about the yellow flag?
I don't know. I just hear it now.
Middle.
Hey, wait. No. I'm serious. Is it created by you or by the community of the TikTok? No. Yellow. Oh, I see. This is the first time for me actually. Yellow flag is in the middle? Really?
Yeah.
Really? Okay then. Okay, we have known about the green flag. And then the what we call that the superpower version of the green flag is like green forest. What about the red flag? What is the superpower version of the red flag? Is it like red hell, right? Yeah, illogical actually. It's supposed to be like red hell, but we never heard about it, right? Okay then. So we start from the sentence. Do you know what is sentence? Apa itu sentence? Kalimat. Nah, kalimat itu kebetulan konsepnya sama Indonesia dan Inggris. Minimal hanya terdiri dari dua kata, yaitu subject and predicate. So an example is like we have discussed yesterday, right? Between an old big house and I eat. Which one is the sentence? I eat, because it consists of subject and verb. So can we start from there? From the sentence, right? From your name. From your nickname. Yes. Your name is Afan, right? Okay. Yes, Afan, do you want to ask a question? No. Oh, you will be the first, I guess, right? Okay. Let me just try and give all my power to remember your name, actually. Okay, Fawaz Rakan. Okay, nice. Okay, we start from Afan. A. Your friend calls you Afan, right? Not Abdullah. Oh, both of them sama ya, A ya. Okay, what is that, Afan? You can start from your name actually, like Afan drinks coffee. Is it okay for you, I guess? Okay.
Afan going to work.
Almost there. Afan going to work.
Afan is going
Yes.
office.
Okay, Afan is going to office. Afan is going to office dengan Afan is going to go to office. Ada yang tahu bedanya? Afan is going to office. Dengan Afan is going to go to office. Yang tadi kamu bilang apa? Afan is going to office ya. Nah, kalau yang itu apa artinya? Afan is going to office.
Oh iya, kalau dia going.
But your sentence is Afan is going to office, right? Oke. Okay. Kalau itu artinya apa? Afan is going to office. Afan sedang pergi ke kantor. Nah, kalau Afan is going to go to office, Afan is it perjalanan? Almost there, but sebelum pergi apa? Ada going to go. Ada dua kali go ya. Akan. So Afan is going to go to office is Afan akan pergi ke kantor. Okay, good. That's a very nice question actually. I mean like you almost forget about the to be ya awalnya. Is it? Because you said like Afan going to office. Nah, itu hampir sempurna tuh. Tapi kan kita paham sebenarnya. Nah, akan lebih oke biasanya dengan yang lengkap. Nah, oke. Yes. Kalau native kayaknya kalau dengar tuh kayak ada sesuatu yang ini ya. Do you know native? Like native speakers of English? Bule, bener. Itu dia ngecek kalau grammar salah pakai ini feeling. Kalau kita pakai thinking. Pakai apa otak ya? Dimitri, right your name?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. I remember. And you are Ulfa. Okay, next. The next one is Aldino. And it's supposed to be Aldi, right? Okay, it's from A.
Aldino goes to soccer field.
Can you find another verb? I mean, ghost has been taken by Afan actually.
Oh, okay. Aldino go.
But it's okay. Tadi ada variasi ya di tenses ya. Tadi kan Afan is going to office. Kalau kamu Aldino goes to. Okay, nice. Okay, good. Itu artinya apa tuh? Afan? Oh, sorry. Aldino pergi ke lapangan bola. Oke. Kalau yang tadi present continuous, and then this one is present what? Present tense. Nice. You remember about our last week's materials and Dimitri, I guess. Is it Demi? Demi Lovato, do you know the singer?
Yeah.
Okay. Demi. Okay, it's supposed to be with D.
Demi is working right now.
Demi is working right now. Very good. That's a present continuous. Are you working now? I think we are studying together, right? Zul is Zul is permit. I mean, like permits, right? Because he sounds you that he won't be here. He sounds who? Afan. Okay, it's permits, right? Because he has given you some information. Okay, nice. So it's supposed to be yes, I guess. All right then. Do you know for how long?
It's going to be
Oh, 2 days. So maybe we will see him again on Thursday. 2 days from now or from tomorrow?
from yesterday.
Oh, from yesterday. So he will be here tomorrow, I guess. Nice. Genta. Oh, Genta is also permit, right? Iza. Is that you? Okay, nice. Iza, right? Iza? Oh yeah. I'm making a noodle. I'm making the noodle. Yes, I'm making a noodle. Okay, nice. Are you making a noodle now? I think I'm looking at you, right? The next one is supposed to be Intan. Is there any information from Intan? Oh, I see. Okay then. All right then. How can I call you, by the way? Rakan or Fawas? Rakan, right? So it's supposed to be with R.
Random forest is machine learning.
Sorry?
Random forest is a machine learning.
Oh, random forest is a machine learning. Random forest. Forest is like forest. Is it? F-O. Virus here is hutan ya? Oh, I see. Itu istilah nggak sih? Enggak ya? Random forest.
Nama dari machine learning. Dari
Oh, I see. Machine learning. Machine learning. Can you just give me an example? What is the machine learning in our life? Like the simple example? Is it machine learning? In bahasa is?
algoritma itu.
Oh, I see. It's a night world, I guess, right? All right. Okay then. Nice. Okasha, right? It's supposed to be you, right? Your vibe actually, boleh ini ya. Your vibe is almost like Salim. You know Salim, right? Okay then. So Okasha, it's supposed to be with you. Yes, nice. Ukas is listening to the teacher. Okay, listening to the teacher. What is the differences between listening and hearing? Sama kayak melihat si look sama watch.
Oh, we listen to understand.
Kalau hear nggak understand. Kalau hear apa? Hah? Kalau hear mendengar banget kalau listen ya. So here is maybe kita mendengar oh nggak sengaja denger ya. Almost there actually. Kalau di presentasi ini mungkin 80% doang lah ya. Sama kayak melihat, see dengan melihat look, itu persentasenya paling bawah see, di atasnya look, di atasnya lagi watch. Kalau watch itu lebih kayak gini ya, kayak mengawasi ya. Kalau look 80% looknya. Kalau see ya bisa melihat ke kamu dan ke yang lain. So you are listening to me or you are hearing to me? Listening, that's nice. Ukasa, thank you. And Ramdhani. Oh, you are. Okay. You would sit on the chair last night? No. Oh, kamu di situ ya kemarin ya? Oke then. R.
Okay. Robert Downey is my favorite actor.
Wow. Does anybody know Robert?
Downey.
Okay. Do you know him?
He plays Iron Man.
Oh, jadi itu namanya Robert.
Iya.
Yang Iron Man itu ya? Oke. Your favorite actor? Really? Like for real? Oh, just the example. Okay. Are you like the Avengers? What we call the lovers? No, right? No. Okay. Does anybody knows the Avengers, right? But not the lovers here. Not the lovers of Marvels? No, not really. The last one, I guess, but not least, is Ulfa. It start from you. Lebih sering kemana nih teman-teman? M or you? How do you call her? Ulfa. So it's supposed to be you. Alright then.
Besok ngantar pulang.
Yeah, actually it's from you actually. Ulfa, right?
Ulfa is watching Netflix movie.
Ulfa is watching a Netflix movies. Okay, that's right. Present tense. So almost everyone is using present tense except Aldino, right? Okay then. Yes. Oh, Ilham. I'm so sorry, Ilham. How come I? Okay. All right then. I'm so sorry, Ilham. Ilham, right?
Yes.
Yes, please.
I study with my friend.
Okay. Yeah, that's a present tense, right? I study with my friend Iza. Now let me just remind your name again is Rakan, Aldino, and then Ramdhani, Iza, right? Let me just close it first. And Ilham, Ukasa, Ukasa. Tadi kamu kayaknya ada nama pendeknya ya? Ukas ya, maksudnya itu. Ukas, and then Afan, Ulfa, and Demi. Demi, okay, nice. Alright then, so last week we have tried, we have tried how to introduce ourselves effectively and professionally, right? And today, I'm gonna share a module actually to your group. You are in group A or B actually? A, right? Okay, I'm gonna share the module here, like unit 1. Okay, this one. Yes. Okay, yes. Okay then. I have shared a model. Maybe you can open it from your device here. Okay then, this one. Where is it? This one. Okay, this one. Is it work? Okay then. Have you opened the module? Okay, maybe you can open page 2, right? Our tonight's learning materials and or learning objective here, self-introductions and small talks. This one, right? Our tonight is how to introduce ourselves professionally and improve small talk skills, right? Okay, nah ini kita pakai rumusnya ya. How to introduce ourselves, we can use this one. Present, past, future formula. Is it? Kalau kita udah kenal nggak kemarin? Present, past, and future sudah cukup mengenal ya? Atau baru present kemarin? Oh, yang sama continuous and past tense and future. Coba kita kenalan langsung ya dari apa namanya? Nanti kita perkenalan di dalam teksnya. Karena ada juga orang yang belajar tenses itu mulai dari rumus, ada juga yang mulai dari kalimat. Kalau teman-teman yang dari mana tuh kira-kira? Langsung dari penggunaannya ya, baru kita analisis yang mana subjek, yang mana ini ya. Karena ada juga yang harus mulai dari rumus. Subjek yang mana? Iya, structure-nya. Nah, kita mulai dari perkenalan. Oke? So, today we are going to learn about how to introduce ourselves professionally, and then ada small talks. What is small talks in bahasa, by the way? Bahasa basi, almost there. Yes. Talks here is sorry? Perbincangan. Nice. Nice. Ada yang bilang talk is like speak, right? It's not really the same actually. Okay, so before we start, wait. Have we done like the quiz of Kahoot before? Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay then. Do you want to play it again? I mean first, before we hear? Really? It's up to us, or up to me, or up to you.
Up to you.
Up to Okay. What do you think if we just play it like at the end of our class tonight? What do you think about it? No problem, because we have to practice first, right? How to introduce ourselves professionally. Maybe we have to watch her first. Wait. Does it have any speaker here? Actually, okay. I think I need to open my own speaker actually, just the little one. Agar kayaknya biar jelas. Okay, wait, this one. How is it? Okay. Should we just connect it first? It's been connected, right? Okay, kalau udah namanya biasanya udah connected ya. Okay, everyone. This one is we got some tips from her how to introduce ourselves like professionally in 3 steps: present, past, and future. Can we start now, right? Okay.
Let's go around and introduce ourselves.
Does that make you want to panic, run, or even hide?
Can you hear it? Like, Ukas, do you hear it? Okay, nice. What about you, Ilham? All right then.
When you hear these words?
Let's go around and introduce ourselves.
Does that make you want to panic, run, or even hide? Well, you won't anymore after you watch this video, because I'm going to give you a super simple 3-step formula to introduce yourself professionally with ease and confidence.
Okay.
Every single time. All right, so this formula has 3 steps. First, you're going to say something about the present.
Mm-hmm.
Then you're going to mention something briefly about the past. And then you're going to end your introduction with something about the future. So present, past, future. And the idea here is to keep your introduction short and sweet. It should be no longer than about 20 seconds.
Okay,
Step
20
1,
seconds.
the present. So to start your introduction, you're going to say who you are and what you do now.
Mm-hmm.
So for example, if it's a more formal situation and you're in a room with people from other companies, you could say something like, hello everyone, I'm Jennifer Smith. I'm a software development manager at an EBC company, where I'm responsible for the building of new systems and prevention of issues. If it's a more informal situation, say you're just starting a new job and you're introducing yourself to your new coworkers, you could say something like, hi all, I'm Joe. I'm part of the North American marketing team, and I'll be looking after generation of new leads. Now here, just mention your primary
Sorry.
responsibility, not every single task that you do in your job. And especially if you're working for an American company, don't mention any personal details.
Okay.
Like how old you are, whether you're married or single, your hobbies, just keep it to the professional side.
Okay. Okay, before we go, the first thing that we have to do from our introductions is we have to tell about who we are and then what we are doing, right? In the present in the present tense. So we have to kind of informations. Do you understand, right? Oke, tadi juga dibahas ada yang formal and less formal. So, have you found the differences between formal and less formal in the greetings? Like kalau yang formal di awal dia menggunakan Okay, good morning everyone. Is it like that? Okay, hello everyone. I'm Jenner Smith. Okay. So I am a software development manager. This is for formal, and if you are in a less formal, you can use hi, right? Like I'm Joe. And then never, what we call that? I think we are now practicing about introduction in less than 20 seconds, right? Because it's only 20 seconds. And okay, this one. This is the Western. What about us? If Indonesian people, when they ask about the age, is it okay? Kayaknya sebagian ada yang oke, ada yang enggak ya. Kalau marital status, itu sangat nggak oke sih kalau di sana ya. But in us, kayak oke, ada yang oke kan? Oke. Hobi juga ternyata.
Quick question before we move on. Do you
Okay.
have to speak English in your current job right now? Tell me in the comments, either yes or no. All right,
Okay,
moving
step 2.
on to step 2, the past. So now is the time where you're going to want to mention something brief, relevant about your background. Something that's going to help people get to know you just a little bit more and also establishes your credibility. So think about some things that are relevant to the people you're talking to. Things like past projects, companies you've worked for, other achievements, and
Okay.
just pick one of those things to highlight. So one example might be, my background is in computer science. Before taking on this role, I worked with big data to gather insights for our clients in the financial services industry.
Okay, which one is the past sentence actually from this? Does anybody know it? Yes, good. I work with the big data together. Okay.
Or, I've been with the company for 2 years now. Most recently, I was part of the team who worked on campaign ABC, which brought us client X. So the key thing
Okay.
here is to keep it brief and relevant.
Brief and relevant. So what is brief? Like the what we call that ringkas ya. So just like brief and relevant. Is it kalau yang brief tapi nggak relevant kayaknya kurang oke. What do you know what is relevant? I mean like you just tell about your relevant experience, right? With your introduction, with your workplace, I guess. Okay, this is for
Not
past.
time to be telling your whole life story or giving a summary of your whole CV and resume or your career history.
Okay.
And step 3, the future. Here you want to end your introduction on a positive note and show some enthusiasm for the topic at hand. Communicate some good energy and show the people in the room that you're happy to be there and you're happy to be involved. And it can be simple. For example, you could just say, it's a pleasure to be here with you all today. I'm looking very forward to working with you.
Okay, nice.
Or more informally, I'm excited to be part of this project. I think it'll be a great opportunity for all of us.
Okay.
All right, now if you put all 3 of these steps together, here's an example of how a full introduction might sound. Hi everyone, I'm Maria Sheeran. I'm a marketing manager at ABC Company, where I'm responsible for lead generation campaigns for North America. I've been with the company for 5 years now. Prior to that, I managed the social media efforts for company XYZ. It's a pleasure to be here today, and I'm really looking forward to working with you all on this project.
Is it more than 20 seconds? No, right? Okay.
So just remember present, past,
Okay.
future. Pretty easy, right? But don't stop there. Keep practicing your English speaking skills so that you get more and more comfortable speaking in English in these kinds of work situations.
Okay, now we are practicing the introductions, right? Maybe you can have a look at the, what we call this, the models, right? Maybe we can discuss a little bit about step 1. It's a presence. Berarti nanti kalau di present itu, what will you do actually in your first step of introductions? In present, we have to tell like this, right? Who we are and then what? Like this one, right? who we are and
The job role.
yes, what we are doing, right? For example, for formal, maybe you can use hello everyone, I'm Demi, I am blah 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 blah, and something something, right? And then for informals, you can use hi or hello, right? Kalau hey ini kayaknya kesannya agak beda ya. Okay. So step 1 is just like that, and then step 2 you just tell the relevant what we call that experience, like before joining here, and then apa ya? Kalau misalnya yang baru graduate kira-kira gimana tuh bilangnya? Kan belum ada experience before ya. Kalau SMK mungkin bisa dibilang yang itu intern, right? Nah itu you can use that one actually. And then this one is sama. Ini usual phrases ya, you can use before joining blah blah blah, and nanti kita coba practice. And then this one is formal and informal and the future. Nah ini yang jarang banget sih, kayak di perkenalan yang kemarin sempat di speakingnya itu, kayak saya jarang lihat yang ini nih. Ini tuh ternyata oke banget ya, kayak I look forward to working with you and achieving great results. Well, what is that by the way? I look forward to working with you. Ini menunjukkan kayak nada positif yang kayak dia tuh ingin apa?
Saya tertarik untuk bekerja sama.
Nah, itu dia. Bekerja sama dan meraih great results. Kemarin waktu di closing introduction ada yang seperti ini nggak? Lupa ya. Kebanyakan sih yang present sama pas sudah ada ya. You tell about yourself and what you are doing now and others. So this one is the language tips. Before we go, of course, we have to use present tense for step 1, your current role, and then step 2 for your past experience, and then your step 3 is for your future plans. Kalau past experience sudah oke. Kalau future plans itu something like what? Actually, can we say that this one is sudah ada future plan-nya here? Di dalam kalimat ini sudah ada belum future plan-nya? I look forward to working with you. Yes, of course. And then, nah ini yang perlu kita latih sih. Mungkin kalau secara teks oke ya, kita bisa lihat dari berbagai sumber. Cuman ini nih, like your body language, right? And the intonation. Nah itu tentunya beda nih. So you can use your smile, your eye contact, and your tone. And then ada apa di sini ya? Nah ini juga kita lihat sesuaikan ya kalau di formalitasnya. And then this one, you can use power verbs agar terlihat lebih professional. Kayak misalnya kosakata yang jarang kita pakai dalam keseharian, itu kalau kamu gunakan tuh kayak nilai plus banget ya. When you are introducing yourself. This one. So this one is like less formal. Hi everyone, I'm Matt Sheerans, marketing managers at ABC Company, where I lead North American lead generations campaigns. I've been with the company for 5 years and previously managed social media for XYZ. It's great to be here today and I'm looking forward to working with you all. Ini kita udah analisis ya. Tadi yang hi everyone sampai ini adalah present ya. You introduce yourself here and then your role and your responsibility. And this one is past tense. I've been is stand for what? Ini kira-kira singkatan dari apa nih? Yes, I have been. Nah, biasakan juga kemarin selain kita sering mengonekkan antara konsonan sama vokal, dalam ini juga bisa menggunakan singkatan ya, biar terlihat lebih native. Kayak katanya seperti itu ya. Masih ingat nggak yang cara bacanya digabung? Iya, vocal and consonant sounds ya, bukan letter, tapi sounds. Contohnya seperti apa ya? Di sini ada kan, I've been with the company for 5 years and previously managed social media for, kenapa kayak gini ya? Sorry, this one. The last one is future. Please just use this nice closing for you from now, right? Saya berharap mulai hari ini tuh closingnya menggunakan yang seperti ini, yang 3 tadi ya, yang pakai I look forward with you atau yang mana. Nah itu dia. Coba kita, ini default nih. Nanti kita coba praktek dengan ini nih. Does anybody want to read this? Like kita coba dulu ya. How is it? Does anybody wants to read that one? Like, hi everyone. Yes, in Demi.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Lee, Project Coordinator at Bright Tech Solutions, where I manage client onboarding and support operations.
Okay.
I've been with the company for 3 years, and previously I worked as an administrative assistant at Global Link.
Nice.
It's great to be here today, and I'm looking forward to collaborating with you.
Okay, that's great. Thank you, Intan. Sorry. Demi, I guess. Okay, then. Okay, now we are going to practice our. Bentar, ini kayaknya harus diginiin. And then, okay. Our practice by from guided formula practice. So participant will like write. Do you bring the book, right? I mean, like a paper. So you will write your own. What we call that? Your own introductions by using present, past, and future, and pair up, right? You can berpasangan nanti, and you're focused on the clarity, tone, and eye contact, right? Like this. First thing first. Nah ini karena dia 20 detik, kamu coba buat aja. Misalnya yang pertama presentnya itu I am a customer service supervisor at XYZ company. And then pastnya coba dari 3 kalimat ini dulu ya. Tapi kalau lebih bagusin udah langsung pakai yang kayak defaultnya ini, yang hi everyone gitu ya. Nah ini coba. Tapi kalau nggak bisa yang 3 dulu, present, past, and future. Nah berpasangan, terus satu orang menyampaikan perkenalan diri, terus satunya lagi mendengarkan. Setelah itu bergantian ya. You know what I mean? And fokus utamanya yang tadi ya, kejelasan, intonasi, dan eye contact. Nanti kita coba lihat pronounce-nya gimana, and then natural flow and the confidence-nya seperti apa. Untuk pertama nggak apa-apa banget baca sambil melatih ini ya, kayak intonasi. You know in tone, right? Apa ya tone itu? Nah itu, coba kalau kita lihat di sini naik turunnya gimana? Pertama high-nya emang agak rising intonation ya. Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Lee, the project coordinators at Bright Tech Solutions, where I manage client onboarding and support operations. I've been with the company for 3 years and previously worked as an administrative assistant at Global Link. It's great to be here today and I'm looking forward. Nah ini nih, ini nggak ada yang bisa digabung ya. And I'm looking forward to collaborating with you all. Ini bisa nih, with you all. Is it with you all? Bukan y'all ya. Itu nggak, kalau bisa jangan digunakan di formal ya. Is it something like slang, like y'all? Okay. So can we go now? Okay. So Rakan with Aldi and then Ilham with Iza. Sorry, no. Ramdhani with Iza and Ilham I think with Ukash. No. We are Ganju ya. Yeah. We are Oats. Ikut BI ya guys. Bukannya tadi 10 ya?
Iya, tadi.
Oh, 10 sama Intan, bukan sama Intan. Oh ini sebelum itu tuh karena dikira Zul datang, kan Zulnya. Oke. So how is it? So you just like kayaknya kalau Ramdhani dan Ihzad dan Ilham bertiga gimana ya caranya? Oh nggak apa-apa, saling melihat kan. Di sini kan kayak Oke. Maybe we can make it now. Bagusnya sih kayaknya kamu lagi teman-teman bisa ini ya, bisa membuat sebagai default. Yang tadi yang mana ya? Ini nih defaultnya. Which one is the default here? Like this one, like hi everyone, I'm Ilham, like blah 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 and others. Can we use this one, right? Okay, now let's get started. Kalau bisa yang sesuai dengan ini ya, kenyataan, serealistis mungkin. Nah, kalau bisa yang satu formal, yang satu less formal. So you know how to speak in a formal and informal settings. Berarti buatnya satu-satu, yang formal sama less formal, I guess. Okay. So you will be three, right? Just make which one is formal and less formal, right? Okay.
Can we formal too?
Okay, and the last formal one. Yeah, sure. You can go with that. Okay. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Oke. Kalau dalam bahasa Arab, siapa yang dari pesantren ya? If I'm not mistaken, itu kalau misalnya ininya berbeda, apa sih namanya, intonasinya beda, itu mengubah arti nggak? Enggak ya? Oh, you don't know. Nah, tapi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris tuh kayak misalnya tuh kalau pertanyaan tuh harusnya di akhir itu kayak di awal itu kayak rising intonation ya. Terus kalau kita bacanya falling intonation, dia jadi berubah jadi pernyataan. Sekompleks itu sebenarnya. Cuman ya udah, kita fokus ke sini dulu ya. Mandarin juga kayak gitu ya. Intonasi salah, beda arti. Oh, lebih susah ya. Mandarin nomor 1 sih kayaknya. Okay, present. Hi everyone. Okay, I think Afan is the formal and the Ukas is the formal. Oh, sorry, less formal. Is it? Yeah, both of you must make the different version, I guess, right? Whether you are formal and you are less formal. Just what we call that? Just determine. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm El Pasa. Okay. Don't you want to greet first, like using good morning or hi first? Actually, that will be a greetings. That is one of the part of the greetings. Jadi ungkapan salam dan sapaan. Nah, salam dan sapaan, is it the same? Like salam and sapaan? Do you know what is the differences between salam and sapaan? Lebih ke kayak good morning. Is it something like that? What about sapaan? Oh, it's something like a how are you? No, actually. Sorry? Calling someone? Sapaan. Menyapa. Nah, tuh menyapa tuh gimana ya? Hi. Is it something like that? Iya, kayak gini ya. Hello. Okay, it could be, but okay. Nah, itu kayaknya bisa transisinya kayaknya langsung ini aja deh. Good evening. It's a pleasure to meet you. Kayak biar nggak kaget nggak sih? Langsung senang bertemu dengan kamu. Okay. Alright. It's over. Okay then. So you are the formal?
Yes.
Okay. And
Harus ini ya. Formal and
yeah, it's better that you have a different version in a pair.
Oh, lu mau informal. Oke, boleh. Ya, formal.
Kayaknya bedanya mah cuma di awal ya. Whether okay. Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Lee. Okay, this one. Kita coba sambil dengar-dengar ini ya.
Alright, now if you put all 3 of these steps together, here's an example of how a full introduction might sound. Hi everyone, I'm Maria Sheeran. I'm the marketing.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Mary Sheeran. Coba ikutin flow-nya dia ya, sama intonasinya. Because he is our native speaker actually. Yeah.
For the informal one,
Mm-hmm.
can I use interview?
Yeah, you can go with that. As long as the present, past, and future are in your introductions.
Manager at ABC Company, where I'm responsible for
ABC Company. Nah itu tuh, kalau bisa yang kayak apa ya namanya? Kan kalau kita bacanya kayak company gitu ya. But she says that it's a company gitu. Kayak Jakarta. Dia natifnya gitu, Jakarta. What do you call that? Itu apa namanya? The way of pronouncing iya, cuman kadang kita tuh pronounce-nya udah benar. Cuman kayak digaya-gayain gak sih? Kayak tapi emang kayak gitu ya mereka ya. British.
from North America. I've been with the company for 5 years now. Prior to
For 5 years now.
I manage the social media efforts for company XYZ. It's a pleasure to be here today, and I'm really looking forward to working with you all on this project.
Okay, with you all on this project. Okay.
It's a pleasure to be here today, and I'm really looking forward where I'm responsible for lead generation campaigns for North America. I've been with the company for 5 years now. Prior to that, I managed the social media efforts for company XYZ.
Okay.
It's a pleasure to be here today, and I'm really looking forward to working with you all on this project. So just remember, present, past, future. Pretty easy, right? But don't stop there. Keep practicing.
Okay then. You ready? Okay. All right. Take your time. But don't forget how to pronounce it, right? I mean, practice it before we go. Okay, Aldino, you are done, right?
Yes.
Can I see first? Okay then.
Tulisan tuh lengkap.
I can see everyone's reading. I mean, like, I have been faced by many students writing versions for the last 5 years, ya. Sampai terbiasa sih kadang ya. Hi everyone, I'm Aldi Delama and the project coordinators of OK. I've been with MSI for 2 years and previously Hamilton. Nah ini nih bisa nih digabung ya. And previously Hamilton. Okay. Well, what's this? Premise Network Projects. It's a great to be here today and I'm looking forward to collaborating with you. Sorry? That's last formal for the closing.
Oh, oke.
Okay, just be careful on the pemilihan ini ya. Berarti bedanya tuh ada di present and future ya kalau yang less formal and formal. Kalau dari modulnya gimana? Kalau presentnya kan nampak ya, dia ada hi dengan good morning. Tapi kalau yang future-nya gimana? Ada nggak? Yang formal and less formal. Oh iya, bisa tuh disesuaikan. What about the past? Step 2. Is there any formal and non-formal? Yeah, you can use that one actually. Disesuaikan. Okay. Are you making the less formal? Yes. Okay then. Yes.
Dia udah pernah kerja sebelumnya. Nah kalau di kantor pertama pasnya gimana?
Maybe you are graduating from SMK or SMA? Oh kuliah, yes. Kalau kuliah kan ada ininya kan?
Oh magangnya?
Magangnya. Magangnya biasa di ini ya?
Kalau nggak magang?
Oh kalau nggak magang, SMK, SMA ya? Emang nggak ada yang magang ya?
Magang sih aku kuliahnya magang.
Oh di kuliah waktu itu nggak ada magang? Kayak yang mendekatin ini? PKL gitu nggak ada? Really? Kalau nggak ada SMK. Oh ya kalau pertama yang nggak relevan dulu, mungkin bisa dibilang aja nggak apa-apa. Nggak relevan jauh banget ini ya.
Iya nggak relevan sama sekarang sih.
Oh oke. Ya udah nggak apa-apa. Berarti kalau nggak dibilang apa ya isinya?
Iya makanya.
Tapi kan dulu ngoding.
Nggak ada ya.
Atau project-project dari kampus gitu yang dari Mapel, dari mata kuliah nggak ada ya?
With company for almost 2 years kan udah 2 years. Aku kan almost 2 years kan.
Yes.
Sebelumnya itu tapi posisinya beda. Itu bisa mirip.
Oh posisinya beda? Oke.
Tahun posisinya beda.
Kayaknya yang paling ini aja deh, majornya yang dominannya yang mana yang paling lama posisinya? Yang berkaitan tapi yang relevan? Enggak, dua-duanya enggak ini ya? Relevant. Oh sama ya. Tapi kalau dari relevansinya, kekuatan yang mana? Posisi 1 atau posisi 2?
Posisi yang kedua sih.
Kedua sih kayaknya harus diambil ya. So just take the second positions actually for your pass. And your case is okay. Let me just get your college. Tapi PKL ada cuman nggak relevan gitu ya.
Magang juga tapi nggak relevan sama di IT sekarang sih.
Oke. Kalau dari mata kuliah nggak ada project-projectnya.
Kita bukan jurusan IT juga.
Oh I see. Yaudah nyerempet aja. Apa ya?
Apa yuk?
Are you graduating from the economic? No. Communications. Ya udah nggak apa-apa. Project yang paling bisa dibanggain. Pas. Apa tuh kira-kira? Your most powerful projects you have
Sampai
ever.
sekarang gitu. Ya,
Sampai sekarang maksudnya?
jadi project yang dibanggakan sampai sekarang.
When you were in your college?
Oh no.
I mean it's supposed to be with past tense, right? I mean past. So just that yang paling. Berarti kalau nggak ada yang paling ini aja powerful. Your achievement ya. Kan kita past ya. Sedang menyusun yang past. So if you don't have any relevant like experience, then you can use your great past achievement from your college. Because we must, what we call that, tell about our, what we call it, past experience, right? The achievement here. Okay. Of course you have, right?
But I think it's not relevant.
Iya, itu. Kalau yang nggak ada relevan berarti ambil aja yang paling powerful ya, maksudnya yang kayak project walaupun nggak relevan yang bisa yang paling impactful sih, yang paling powerful, yang paling oke. Kira-kira apa ya? Waktu PKL ngapain aja tuh? Udah project-projectnya sih? Oh bukan ya?
PKL kebetulan waktu itu inline sama komunikasi di CSR kan.
Heeh.
Corporate social.
Lu nyusun sendiri?
Ya nggak IT sih. Jadi
Oke.
bingung
Muter-muter nih. Anak komunikasi biasanya bisa nih muter-muter. Ketemu. Relevan sih kayaknya ini ya, karena memang lumayan ini kan, communications dan IT. Itu beda banget sih kalau di rumpun ilmunya, yang satu seni, yang satu ini ya. But you can use all your communication skills, I guess. Or maybe you can skip it if you are not confident with your past great achievement. You can change to another one. Jadi kan present itu dua kalimat. Nah kamu bisa nambahin tuh yang present atau yang future, dibanyakin. Gitu aja kalau misalnya you are not confident with your, what we call that, kalau nggak mau dimasukin tapi ya. Okay, nice. What about UKAS? Okay. Nah ini bisa nih nanti. How do you read this? Yes, this one.
I'm part of the
Ya. Ini kan I'm part of. Karena kita udah belajar teorinya yang kayak connected, bacanya I'm part of the back end engineer. I'm Ukasa. Okay, I'm Ukasa. Not I'm Yukasa, right? Good evening, I'm Ukasa. I'm part of the back end engineer team at Beren Code, where I have to solve some tasks from the project manager. I've been with the company for 7 months now, and before that, I've built a web-based, is it okay, GIS or GIS application for Pari Islands, which was also my thesis in university. Okay, I'm really excited to work with you guys on this. Okay, good. Ini yang less formal ya. Tinggal nanti tone sama apa ya, pronounce-nya yang di ini nih, yang dilatih lagi nih. Okay, can I hear it first? How do you read this one? Good evening.
Part of the backend engineer team at Braincut, where I have to solve some tasks from the project manager. I've been here with the company for 7 months now, and before that, I've built a web-based GIS application for Pari Island, which was also my thesis in university.
Okay, my thesis in university, and I'm really
excited to work with you guys on this.
okay. I'm really excited to work with you guys on this, right? Have you done Havan? Oh, you are making the last formal as well? No?
No, the informal.
Oh, the informal, the formal one. Let me see. Your. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. Okay, this one, right? Jadi yang membedakan tuh yang future sama yang presentnya ya. Tapi ini, hi. Kamu yang last ya? Last atau yang formal?
Tadi gimana jadinya?
Karena good evening ini kan ini ya, formal ya. Kalau yang high, last formal. Seperti itu ya. Hi everyone, I'm Alvan. Oke. Kalau di modulnya ini adalah yang apa nih? Future-nya yang formal atau last formal? If we see from the model, yang future. I think it's supposed to be the above, I guess. Sorry. This one, I guess. This one. This one, right?
Oh.
So you are informal, right?
Okay.
You can change the sentence, I guess. Kalau kamu berarti yang formal ya. Tapi ininya kayaknya ini less formal. So you have to choose this one, right? Kalau yang formal ya. So Ukas is formal and you are less formal, okay? Alright. Can I see yours? You are the less formal, right? Yeah. Okay then. Hi, I'm Demi. Your pronunciation is good actually. Your pronunciation is already good. You speak English as much as possible. Did you ever speak English like almost every day? No. Oh wow. For now? Oh, with whom? Okay then.
Maybe I use the Gemini.
Gemini. Oh, I see. Gemini. Is it like live? No. Live. With the native? Oh, with the AI, I guess. Oh, wow. Can you just... How do you read this?
Part of the.
Nah, mungkin dijadiin satu aja ya. Hi, I'm Demi. I'm part of the project. Right? Kita coba belajar yang connected itu ya. Okay. Wait, you made the last formal, right? And Ulfa made the last formal as well. Are you making the last formal one? Formal? But you use hi actually at the beginning. So it's supposed to be like good evening, I guess, right? Okay. What about you? I haven't seen yours actually. So you are making the last formal?
Yes.
Okay then.
Informal sorry.
Informal? Kayaknya kita bahasnya yang ada yang informal. Last formal. What is this? Okay then. Actually, we just learned about the formal and the less formal, right? So informal is like kayak gimana ya situasi informal? Ya yang kayak teman aja gitu ya. Kalau ini sih apa ya?
Sebenarnya sih lebih less formal.
Less formal actually. Udah ada I'm keen, bahasanya lumayan ya. Now Oke, ini maksudnya ini ya. Maksud ini tuh posisi kan?
Yes.
So it's supposed to be now I am as a back-end engineer.
At the brand code.
So it's supposed to be with M actually because this one is like professions, right?
Yes.
And then I hand in there. Oke. Oke dan ini udah semua ya, present, past, and future.
Yes, ini pakai handle. Kalau lo mau pas. Enggak ini masih
Yang sekarang ya?
Oh. Yes.
In there.
Ini pasti yang ini ya.
Okay. Hi, I'm Rakan now. I'm Rakan now. I am as a backend engineer at BrainCode. In there. In there itu kayaknya kurang ini ya. In here. Nah itu kadang here itu udah termasuk in. Maksudnya here itu di sini. Nah itu. So maybe you can use I handle.
Langsung aja.
Yes, because I imagine this conversation at cafe.
Oh, okay. Yeah, actually, even though this one is in the cafe, but in structure we must like ini kayak budaya ya. Jadi kayak maybe you can choose like this. I'm handling. Ini apa nih? I'm handling the build a backend service. Nah, Jadi DR-nya di belakang aja ya, biar enak. I'm handling build the back end. Bentar, handling build back end. Service for Korean's dashboard and manage Korean's data there. Nah, DR-nya di sini aja. Biar lebih natural aja ya. Ini ya. There, not in there. Are you done with that? Can I see yours? You are the last formal.
Informal.
Less
formal.
Okay then.
Formal.
I'm a part of the. Okay. Did you make it by yourself?
I see the template from YouTube.
Okay, nice. At least see the template from the modules, not from the GPT, right? Like you said before. Because yes. Okay, nice. Tinggal dilatih. Okay. Hi, my name is Iza. Okay. Did you make it by yourself? I mean, like, not from the template or? Okay, nice. Okay. I just want you to practice this like. Okay then. This one is formal.
Yes.
Okay. You can call me Ilham. Okay. Bisa sih. Yang jelas kalau bisa tuh jangan sampai 20 detik lebih ya. I'm Ilham Nur Ramadan, you can call me Ilham gitu ya. I'm a backend developer at the where I'm as. Nah, ini kalau yang di sini kebetulan kalau ada salah ini kan kayaknya ada tanda gitu ya. Ini kira-kira yang salah yang mana nih? Make. It's supposed to be for a make. Kalau di Word itu kan kalau ada yang salah grammar atau spelling biasanya ada tanda bawahnya ya. Nah ini juga kebetulan dihidupin nih. And ini harusnya gimana? For making and managing API, right? So you can use making and managing, right? Because ada preposisi for. I work as. Nah ini nih kenapa salah nih? And then. Default tuh apa? Oh, default tuh namanya ya? Ini kalau D itu kan konsonan, berarti dia pakai E. Kalau N itu hanya yang vowel, vokal, A, I, U, E, O. So it's supposed to be with default. And ini I'm looking for. Ini udah benar sih. As E. Nah itu dia penggunaan E sama N. Nah ini nih kayaknya penting nih ya. E sama N. Does anybody know how to use this? Seorang kan, kalau dalam konteks ini. Itu seorang. Nah, kalau seorang apa ya? DevOps. Is it DevOps? Which one? Yeah. Development. Okay, seorang development operation. So it's supposed to be E or N? Kenapa E?
Because vokal.
Consonant? Yeah, it's supposed to be with E, right? What about sebuah universitas? Sebuah universitas pakai E atau N? Yes, almost there, almost there. So it's all about sounds, right? The pronoun is not like D. For example, like this one. Yeah. University, it's supposed to be E or N. Okay. Okay. Coba kita ini ya. I'm gonna ask you first from Demi. Which one is yours? Ini E sama N tuh juga sering dipakai ya. Menurut Demi pakai E atau N? Kalau sebuah universitas itu? Karena kan ada an apple ya kan, an orange, what else? A banana, apa lagi ya? A house, right? An umbrella. Is it like this? Okay. So what about you? What about university? Is it E or N? Okay, what about Ulfa? Can you give your opinions? This one? Which one is correct? E atau N? Atau ya, bukan. Choose one. Do you know the context, right? Like sebuah universitas, is it a university or an university? This is an example, right? So Demi is an. No, What about Afan?
I change my mind.
Not an. Like umbrella is an. What about you, Ukas? Are you sure? Ini ada yang bisa di tes ya, fate-nya ya. What about you, Ilham? Semuanya kayak ya. Ada yang an nggak? So it's supposed to be with because the pronounce is like university, right?
Yes.
Okay, what about this one? Airplane. Is it or an? An?
An apple.
What about dibalik ya? Rakan, rakan, right? Soalnya ada vowelsnya kan, jadi yang mana sih? Okay. Is it an or an airplane? It's supposed to be an. Really? A speech. The sound is like what? Yeah, it's vowels, right? Ada this one. Oh ini mah sering ya. Udah nggak bisa digocek ini. Apa ya kemarin tuh? Udah sih kayaknya itu doang. Nah itu kalau develop apa tadi? So it's supposed to be with A, right? Okay. Can we go now? Are you done with yours? Ulfa, are you done with your past? Kayaknya Ulfa yang okay. You don't have any past. Then you can make more for present information and future information then. Okay. Alright. Kayaknya ada yang bisa mulai praktis nih ya. Between Aldino and Rakan. So everyone, can we go now, right? So without further ado, now let's invite them to practice their introductions. So the floor is yours. Teman-teman nanti coba sambil perhatiin ya. Maksudnya kayak the tone, clarity, and what? The pronunciations ya. Okay. Alright then, so now please welcome. Who wants to be the first? No, just there. Okay.
Okay.
So Aldi first, right?
Yes.
Okay, 3. Okay. In count of 3, we have to start in 3, 2, 1, and go.
Hello everyone, I'm Alvin Nama, the project manager at Brainport Digital Technology. I've been working with MSI
For 2 years.
and previously handled on network device project, and I'm excited to contribute to this project and share ideas together.
Okay, nice. All right, handled. And how do you pronounce this again? Yes, previous ya. Oke, apalagi ya tadi ya. Itu dari pronounce-nya dulu ya. Dari flow-nya oke. Oke, karena belum hafal sih ya. Jadi terkesannya masih ada flow membaca dengan flow ini kan agak beda tuh ya. Oke, itu nanti bisa ditingkatin sambil jalan. Yang jelas informasi dari present, past, and future udah ada. And I want to ask you, Rakan, what did ini juga kemampuan listening juga dinilai ya, apa dilihat ya. So from Aldino's introductions, what did he do in his past experience? Tadi ada handled ya. Networks. Okay, that's right. Okay, nice. Sekarang berarti gantian ya.
Hi,
My
my name is Raka.
name is Raka.
No, I am a backend engineer.
Now I am as a pakai M ya berarti. Now I'm as
a backend engineer at Brainport.
uh-huh.
I can build a backend service for high cost dashboard and manage high cost database. there. Before that, I worked as a fellow assistant at KJPPRI. It's great to be here.
It's a great to be here.
It's good to be here.
It's a great to be here. Can you?
It's great.
Great.
Is it great or great?
Great.
Yes, it's great to be here.
It's great to be here.
And
I'm keen to
To
get
get-
started.
yes, to get started. Tadi ada di bagian mana ya? Oh, ini. I'm handling, right? I'm handling build a backend service for yes, for anchors, dashboard, and manage anchors. Anchor is like
Yes, name of a project.
Yeah.
oh, bukan anchor ini ya, pembaca berita ya.
No.
Database there. Okay, before that I work as a okay, this one. Be careful with this and this one, right? Tadi udah bener sih started ya. Cuman lebih di ini aja nih, intonasinya lebih ditebelin ya. Sama ditebelin, maksudnya ditebelin nggak sih? Maksudnya kayak
Ya, tadi tuh mau nebelin, enggak dia kalau belinya apanya nih?
oh iya, karena ragu kan nebelinnya tuh kayak apa ya?
Oh,
You feel it, right? I mean kayak belum tebel aja nih. Apa ya bahasanya kalau tebel itu? Ya karena masih ragu kan. Nebel tuh kayak masih butuh apa ya? Ya nebel, tebel. Apa sih bahasanya? But you know it, right?
yes.
Oke. Bagian mana ya tadi ya?
Enggak, dia tuh ragu di sini dibacanya start apa start.
Oh, it's supposed to be started. Started. Kan kalau yang reguler kan biasanya started ya. It's supposed to be started. Coba. I'm keen to get started.
I'm keen to get started.
Started, yes. Jadi kayaknya D nih berubahnya. What about this one? Once again?
It's great to be here.
Yes, it's a great to be here. It's a great to be here. Nah itu yang dimaksud saya tebal tuh. It's a great to be here.
It's great to be here.
Yes, here.
There must
Before great.
It's a great. Iya. Iya, it's supposed to be.
Oh.
Tadi ini nggak ada ya?
Iya.
Pas tadi dibaca ada ya tadi?
Iya.
Oh, karena biasanya emang satu paket tuh. It's a great to be here. Oh iya bener, tadi nggak ada E-nya ya. Oke, good. It's a great to be here. And I'm keen for. Ini keren nih kalau ada nih keen. Itu bahasanya lebih apa ya? Power proverbs. Oke, next you. Who wants to be the first?
I'm the first.
Yes, you are the first.
Okay. Hi all. I'm Ramdhani. I'm part of the software developer team.
I'm part of.
I'll be looking after creation of new things. I've been with the company for 5 years now. Most recently, I was part of the team who worked on multiple projects from mobile to web apps for use in telecommunications, delivery tracking, and internal company needs. I'm excited to be part of this project. I think it will be great opportunity for us.
For all of us.
For all of us.
Oh yes, for all of us. Great ya penyakitnya ya. Coba, can you say again? It's
great.
it's great ya. Great nggak sih tadi pendengarnya? It's supposed to be what? It's a great.
It's great.
It's a great. It's great apa tadi sambungannya? It's a great.
It's great opportunity.
Oh, opportunity ya. It's a great opportunity. It's a great opportunity. It's a great opportunity. Itu bisa digabung nggak antara great dengan opportunity? It's a great opportunity. It's a great opportunity. Great opportunity. Great opportunity. Coba digabung. It's a great opportunity.
It's a great opportunity.
Yes. Tinggal di ini ya, di tang twister kayak kemarin ya, dibiasain. Yang kayak tadi, a big black bug, be the big black bird, be the big black bird, be the big black bug back. Nah itu. Atau AIWO kata si Aldi ya. Kayak mau nyanyi ya, AIWO ya. Artikulasinya, oh kalau dinyanyi namanya artikulasi, kalau di kita clarity ya. Kayak kejelasan. Oke. Can you? Louder.
Backend developer at I develop a program to provide data from database to our users. I've been with Braingot for almost 2 years and previously studied database engineering and website development at high school. It's great to be here and I can't wait to working with you guys.
Oke, nice. Develop. Tadi developnya yang pas ya?
Develop.
Nah itu tuh kurang kental nih yang developnya. Oh ed ya? Oh present. Berarti nggak pakai pastnya ya? Oh berarti benar kalau present ya. I develop. I develop. Can I see first? I develop. Nah tadi ini gimana? I've been ya?
I've been.
Okay, I've been with Brancode for almost 2 years. And previously studied. Oke. Oke. Ah yang ini nih. Ini apa?
I can't.
Yes.
Wait.
I can't wait.
I can't.
Yes. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, it's yours.
Good afternoon, Lisa. And good afternoon, Ramdan. I am Ilham Nur Ramadan. You can call me Ilham.
You can? You can.
You can call me Ilham.
You can call me?
You can call me Ilham.
Okay, good.
I am a back-end developer at Brancode Tech Solution, where I am responsible for making and managing API. I have been with this company for 2 years, and previously, I worked as a DevOps. It's great to be here, and I'm looking forward to collaborating with you all.
Okay, nice. Are you coming from the Java, right? Yes. Tapi kok di awalnya nggak kental, tapi di akhirnya kental ya? Bisa gitu ya? Biasanya kan dari awal sampai akhir harusnya kental ya? Oke, then. Oke, pronounce-nya lumayan nih. Bisa di bagian mana? Nah ini nih kalau ada di itu mungkin saya langsung tandain ya. How do you read this? Maksudnya pronounce yang harus di berarti di sini saya tandain gini aja ya. Apa namanya? Gimana ya? Sudah. Oke. Tadi kamu yang di bagian ini.
Ini aja.
Oh, yang previous kamu aja. Pertama previously. Yang coba dilatih-latih lagi ya. Work. Tadi gimana tadi work? Oh, work. Works. Apalagi ya tadi ya lumayan tadi bang. Coba lihat. Managing. Oh ini responsible. This one. Yang collaborating tadi aman ya. Coba collaborating. Yang ini.
Looking forward.
Oh yeah, forward, right? Tadi apa ya? Can you read again for me?
Enggak.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Rizky Fauzi. I'm backend developer at Brancode, where I develop a program.
Yes.
A program
To provide.
Data.
Yes, data.
Data from database to our users.
Okay, to our users.
I've been with Brancode for almost 2 years and
Previously, yeah. Yes.
Studied database engineering and website development at high school.
Okay, it's a great.
It's a great to be here, and I can't wait to working with you guys.
And I can't wait to working with you guys. Okay, good. Tadi belum saya tandain ya. Yang mana? Sama your has not been ini ya. Coba sekali lagi tadi. Hi.
Hi all, I'm Ramdan. I am part of the software developer.
I'm part of
the software developer team, and I'll be looking after generation of new leads.
Oke, lanjut.
I've been with this company for 5 years now. Most recently, I was part of the team who
The team
who work on multiple projects.
multiple projects.
Multiple projects from mobile to web apps for use in telecommunications, for use in telecommunications, delivery tracking, and internal company needs. I'm excited to be part of this project. I think it will be great opportunity.
Yes, I think, right? Can I see yours? Oh, this one, yours. Coba, can you read again for us? Hello, everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Aldinat Lama, project manager at Brainport Digital Technology. I've been working with Masai for 2 years and previously handled network device project. And I'm excited to contribute
To contribute.
Yes,
to contribute.
and I'm excited to contribute to this project and share ideas
Together. Very good. What about you? Udah ditebelin ya?
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Rakan. I'm as a backend engineer at Brainport. I'm handling build a backend service for
Anchors. Anchors.
Anchors dashboard and manage Anchors database there. Before that, I worked as failure assistant at
Valuer.
assistant
Right?
at KJPPRIR. It's a great to be here and I'm keen to get started.
Okay. So the valuer and then what else? Anchors
Yes.
and apa tadi ya? Assistant ya? Not assistant. It's supposed to be assistant. Can I see yours? Okay. Can you just read? I mean, like without the read. Can you do it? No, right? Belum hafal ya?
Belum.
Okay then. So we start from Demi first.
Hi, I'm Demi. I'm part of the project and finance team focusing on administrative tasks. I've been with the company for almost 2 years now, and before that, I was part of a project team making technical documents. I'm really excited to work with you guys.
Okay, nice. Now notes, I guess. The pronunciation is smooth. What about Ulf? Are you done with that one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can I hear it now?
Good evening. My name is Ulfa. I'm a project manager officer at Brainport Digital Technology, where I'm responsible assist my project manager with non-technical administrative tasks. I've been with a company for 5 years. Now I'm working for Project Inap, the most important project at Brainport Digital Technology. I look forward to go working with you and achieving great results.
Achieving?
Achieving great results.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like achieving great results. Okay, so can I see your pass? Finally, you made one?
No,
You do not make anything, right?
no,
for the pass?
I don't have.
Okay, then it's okay.
So
It looks. So you just like this, right?
Yes,
Now I'm working with
the most
projects.
important project.
Yes. Okay, good. I look forward to working with you and achieving great results, right? How do you pronounce it? Great?
Great result.
It's supposed to be great.
Great.
That was great,
Great
results. Oke, oke deh. Karena baca masih jadi kayak flow-nya itu masih vibe-nya, masih vibe ini. Baca, mungkin karena karena belum hafal tentunya ya. Oke. Pronunciation udah oke sih, kuncinya pronounce ya. And then the intonation juga. Intonation kayaknya bisa ditingkatin kalau kita benar-benar paham artinya ya. Nah itu tuh, karena kan kita harus tahu kapan kita harus stop sama naik sama turun ya. Oke, nanti kita latih lagi ya. But secara konten sih udah oke ya. Ada past, present, and future. But you don't have any past, right? Never mind. Actually, that's the formula for. Okay, can we go now? Who wants to be the first? Okay. So, Ukas is the first. Okay. Coba sambil saya lihat ya. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good evening, I'm Qatar. I'm part of the backend engineer team at Brentford in charge to solve some bugs from the project manager.
Okay.
I've been with the company for 7 months. I've developed a web-based GIS application for Faroe Island, which was also my thesis in university.
My thesis, right?
Yeah, thesis.
And this one is developed. Develops. Okay, good. And then
And I look forward to working with you and
achieving.
achieving great results.
Okay, great results. Results. Okay. And you, Van? Coba sambil di ini ya.
Hi everyone, I'm Afan Abdillah, Junior Project Manager
Junior.
at Berikos Technology, focusing on leading and managing people in a project.
Ini bisa digabung nih. Focusing on
Focusing on leading and managing people in a project. I've been with the company for 3 years. I did several tasks for being a software developer at the same project for my first 2 years.
Okay.
It's great to be
It's
here.
a great, right?
It's a great to be
Ini jangan lupa tambah ya. It's a great to be here.
It's a great to be here today, and I'm eager to get started with you all.
Coba ini gimana? To get started.
To get started.
Started. Started.
To get started. To get
Nah.
started.
Sebenarnya nggak salah ya. Cuman kadang tuh native bilang kayak to get started. Sama kayak nih. Focusing on, kayak focusing on, itu ada yang hilang nggak sih? Nggak ada ya? Focusing on gitu kan? G-nya nggak hilang ya? Focusing on, focusing on, focusing on, focusing on. Coba,
Focusing on.
Oke, nice. Focusing on. Nah, coba digabung-gabung sama apa ya tadi ya? Oh ini. The or the? The or the? The, yes. Nah ini nih, mungkin ada satu penemuan ya. Do you know this, right? Like the. Oh ini sama kayak konsepnya kayak gini ya. Misalnya. Okay everyone, this one. We are trying to read this one. Jadi THE itu kadang ada dibaca D sama D. So do you know how THE is read by D or D? This one is the apple, right? And this one is the university or the university? The. Oke, kalau Ukas bilang the yaudah the ya. No, actually the ya. Padahal ini sama-sama huruf vokal ya. Cuman karena lagi-lagi it's all about sounds. So when it is sounds, consonant sounds, so it's supposed to be with the. Like kalau ini berarti apa nih? The house or the house? The house, right? Pokoknya kalau A itu adalah the, kalau N adalah the. Oke. Misalnya lagi. Tapi coba ya. Nih. This one. It's supposed to be the hour. Cuman kan jarang digunakan ya, karena the hour itu biasanya sejam kita bilang ya. Kalau the hour artinya apa ya? Jam itu. Tapi kan jam itu maksudnya jam ini kan. Tapi kalau jam yang fisik bukan the hour, it can be the watch or the clock, right? Not the hour. It's jarang digunakan, tapi emang kalau secara aturan seperti ya, the hour. And then what else? This one, the horse. It's not the horse, but it's the horse. Okay, that's the way how to pronounce the the. And I think before we go again, secara umum flow-nya udah ini ya, pronounce-nya. Ada beberapa emang masih issue-nya di pronounce like great. It's supposed to be with great, not great. Terus sama tambahin It's a great pleasure. It's a great atau it's a nice to meet you. Okay, is it off? Okay, I think we just play the Kahoot now, right? What do you think? It's only 10 seconds and it's very easy, I guess. Tapi nggak ada si Zul ya? Intan dan jadi dia kehilangan satu kesempatan nih. What do you think? Can we go just without him? Yes. Okay then. Okay, let's just play it now. Where is it? Bentar, di mana ya? Nyimpannya ya. Oh, this one. I think we just from here. Have you ever played Kahoot before? When you were in SMK? Oh, let me guess that your SMK is in pandemic ya, bukan? Oh. Di saat Iza yang SMK-nya pakai Kahoot siapa? Oh, berarti kayak oke, nice. Oh, you are coming from the same school. Oh, okay then. Okay. Berarti udah tahu nih ya how to join in. Okay, wait. It's lagging, I guess. Okay. Wait a moment. Now it's time for you to log into the group. I think just scan it, I guess. Or atau bisa saya ini ya? Kayaknya biar cepet di grup aja ya. This one, I guess. Okay. Oh, nice. Cepet ya. Kalau yang udah biasa mah cepet ya SMK ya. Keren lah. Oke, biar nggak ngantuk ya. 1, 2, it's supposed to be 9 and I think we just need 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, enggak bener ya, 9 ya. Oke, we go now. Iya. Tapi udah di setting di situ bisa. Optionnya. Sebelumnya bisa ya. What is the correct sentence? Ini cepet-cepetan dan tepat ya. Sebenarnya yang salah pasti Rakan ya. My name is Aina. How come? Ini salah mencet ya. Bukan salah server ya. Oke. Oke, yang tercepat Aldino. Oke, ini ingat. What is the polite way to introduce yourself? Nice. Oke, bisa disusul ya Afan ya. Beda berapa poin tuh? Oke. Oke. Astagfirullah. Okay, Demi is going on. Your origin. The red one is supposed to be LD. Okay then. It's supposed to be I'm from, right? Pasti sih. Okay. 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 Next. Which one is the correct sentence? Who answer green one? Please be honest. Coba lihat absen. Oh, ketahuan ya. Enggak, ini mah salah mencet ya. Oke. Okay. I is a student. Kalau 3 kali berarti enggak ya? Where are you, Aldi? Come on. Okay. To end introductions. Okay. Oke, nice, benar semua. Oke, masih tetap. Which of the following is not a part of the basic self-introductions? Aduh, ini coba kita lihat ya. Which one is not a part? Basic self introduction. Tiba-tiba langsung nanya PR-nya. Wih, Ramdhani melesat. Menjebak. Beruntung sih. Correct. Wah, bisa aja. What expression can you use to say goodbye after this? Siapa tadi? Tetap si Ramdhani ya? Wah. Oke. Oh, bener semua kok. Keren ya. All these Rika's positions in the company. Okay, it's a junior backend developer. Sama kok dialognya semua sampai akhir. Okay. How long has Miss Sari worked in the company? Okay. Wait, it's supposed to be 6 and it's supposed to be 9, right? 3 orang ini ketinggalan atau nggak jawab? Oh, oke. Ih, Ramdhani, wah, bahaya juga nih. Oke. Okay. Last 4. Last 3. Benar semua. Sorry. The last 2. What project is Rico working on? Okay, nice. Benar semua ya. Ini gara-gara soal yang tadi ya. Gara-gara soal yang tadi ya. Menjebak ya. This one is the last one. Okay. The third place goes to Iza. Yay. The second place goes to Alfa. Kita lihat apakah Ramdhani atau siapa? Yay. Alright. I forget to sign it actually, this one. Just don't forget to sign it. Okay, so you got one actually. What we call that? One cue card, right? It's supposed to be 3 if you want to get the voucher, I guess, right? Tapi bukan in a row ya, di accumulations. Ya, jadi teman-teman tolong jangan sampai Ramdhani menang lagi ya. Biar dia nggak ada berdua. Tapi itu yang terakhir tuh kayak langsung naik ya. Yang dari which of is not the basic introductions ya. Oke, your homework langsung ya. Okay, everyone. So now we have learned about how to introduce ourselves by using 3 formulas, right? That is by using what we call that present. It's mean that who you are and what are you working on, and then past. What is past? What is the information that we must put in our introduction for past? Our achievement, right? Our experience, that really relevance, right? And the future. Nah, yang future-nya yang paling ini nih. Di situ harus ada memuat informasi tentang apa kalau future. Kayak kita tuh pengen ya itu benar apa? Kayak ini ya, ekspresi mana ya? Belum, sorry. Ekspresi antusiasme dengan harapan. Kalau yang pas adalah pengalaman dan kayak lama bekerjanya ya sama relevansi. Terus kalau yang present tadi apa? Mengenalkan diri ya kan, who we are, and then kayak tanggung jawab kita saat ini apa? Oke, itu dia. So that's all, everyone. Thank you very much for your participation. And at last, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat beristirahat. Thank you very much again. Nice to see you. Oh, it's a closing langsung di ini ya. Kalau yang less formal gimana? Nice to see you. Okay. I'm keen. Oke then. Lebih ke sarcasm, right? No. Is it sarcasm? Okay. Alright then. Oh, alright, thank you. I will bring this.